plastic. I don't even know. But let's open this bad boy and start playing with it. Ew, well, hold on. It feels so funny. It's this way. I think it's slime. I don't know. But this just look nasty. Sorry, I heard some of your posting lately. I don't know how these things hey, you being this. Sorry. And I need good comments because I don't get enough comments. Wait, hold on, I'll see it when I clean this off. So let's get started. The comments cleaned off, so I want to see if it's gonna fart. It might not fart. It might move, so should do it. Take the y'all hear that? Ew. You know. Oh, it farts. Ew. It sounds like somebody on a toilet dookie. It sounds like dookie. They doodle. Well, I guess it do fart, so take it back out. Ew. I made this slime. I just put it in this container. And I put a sticker on it. I made it. Yo, I made this slime. And it got hair on it and dirt. Because I made it say it got stuff on it because I made it say it dropped it outside. Oh my gosh, this is so, like, I never had slime. I just put that thing on there. So, I do make slime, so okay. I wish I had straws, but brother ain't true. He was biting. But I get the whole part of the slime. Okay. Ew. Disgusting. Y'all want to stretch it? See them stretch it. Wait. Stretch it. Y'all can see it. They stretch it. Guess that was too long. I know you know let it touch the ground too long. Okay, so stretch it again. Okay, now put that slide right there. Put that in. Then wrap this around. Wait. This around it. This. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just doing anything. Wait. Okay. I just did it. Oh. I know what to do because I know what to do because I had a big piece. Now if I didn't have no big piece, it would work. I had a big piece. So this one too big. Ew! Ew.